If you are interested in building websites or web applications, the first step is learning two languages named HTML and CSS. Now, there are countless resources on the internet to learn these languages, and I'll let you in on a secret. These languages are not rocket science. From a technology perspective, virtually anyone can learn and even teach these languages. But memorizing the technical specifications of a language isn't going to make you a talented designer or developer, nor will it make you attractive to potential employers. So yes, this course will teach you HTML5 and CSS3 from the ground up, from square one, with zero experience required. But that's almost not important, because there's a million places where you can, quote, learn those languages. The true strength of this course is that it will immerse you in real-world modern best practices. These languages are not difficult to learn, but the ins, the outs, the tips, the tricks, the do's, the don'ts, understanding the modern browser landscape, those things take time. I'm here to accelerate the process for you. I want you to be able to think, code, create, and speak, just like the designers of your favorite web experiences. So in this course, we will create web pages using well-structured semantic HTML5 code. We will learn how to add media to pages, so this means images, audio, video. We will learn how to adapt our pages for different device sizes. This is commonly referred to as responsive web design. We will learn how to add CSS3 effects, transitions, and animations to our pages. We will learn the basics of Sass, the world's most popular CSS extension language. And we will learn how to support older web browsers without limiting the experience of the world's newest web browsers. So there is a lot to learn, and if you're ready to launch a new career, I would love to have you come along for the journey.